A and B are two partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 3:2. And their balance sheet as on 31st December 2010 was as follows. Building 40,000, cash 15,000, profit and loss account 5,000, furniture 20,000, total 80,000. A's capital 30,000, B's capital 30,000, reserve fund 10,000, creditors 10,000, total 80,000 rupees. C comes as a new partner for 1/4 share. He brings 20,000 as capital and 5,000 as goodwill. Building was appreciated by 20%. Furniture was depreciated by 10%. One more information is given to you. That is, capital of old partners were adjusted on the basis of new partners' capital. And for this purpose, accounts were settled by cash. It's a new thing for you. I'll explain you later. So let's start our question. Number 1, set the ratio. A, B, C. Old ratio 3:2. Sacrificing ratio 3:2. New ratio 9:6:5. So first of all, when we start the journal entries, all accumulated profits are distributed. Is there any accumulated profit? It is always on liability side. Yes, reserve fund 10,000 rupees. It will be distributed between A and B in their old ratio, and that is 3:2. So the journal entry will be reserve fund to A's capital to B's capital 10,000, 6,000, 4,000. Then distribute all the accumulated losses. Is there any accumulated loss? Yes. On asset side, there is profit and loss account 5,000 rupees. So the journal entry will be A's capital account debit, B's capital account debit to profit and loss account 3,000, 2,000, 5,000 rupees. It has been distributed in old ratio of 3:2. Now, is there any goodwill account on the asset side? No. If there had been any goodwill account, we should have written off. You know it better. Now the journal entries of revaluation account. Building has been appreciated. So journal entry will be building account debit to revaluation account, and the amount will be 8,000. Furniture has been depreciated by 10%. So the journal entry will be revaluation account debit to furniture 2,000 rupees. I'm going to leave the space for one journal entry because I have to pass the journal entry for loss or profit on revaluation account. That amount can be ascertained only when we prepare revaluation account. So now the journal entry for incoming partner, that is cash account debit to C's capital account, that is 25,000 rupees. And immediately after that, we have to pass journal entry of, adjustment entry for goodwill, that is C's capital account debit to A's capital to B's capital, that is 5,000, 3,000, 2,000. This entry has been passed in the sacrificing ratio, and that is 3:2. Now we have to make the adjustment for the capitals. Maybe the partners have to bring cash from home, or maybe the firm is going to pay cash to the partners. We don't know. We'll come to know when we prepare the capital account. So leave the space for two journal entries.